everyone, and welcome back to
Skirt Squad.
And today is our 12th Skirt Squad challenge. I can't believe that.
I know, it's been a year of us doing this already. Pretty crazy.
It is.
So today we actually have a special guest in this one.
Yes, we do.
So we have a very close friend of ours, Mrs. Tabitha Kelly, and she has a channel called This Mama's House. Go check her out. We'll have everything linked down below. Anyways, she sent us some clips of her working in a skirt. Sorry about that. So anyway, she's working in a skirt.
Yes.
And doing different things. So today she does cleaning in a skirt. So we'll show you that clip in a moment, but we also have others saved up we will be using in the future Skirt Squad challenges also.
So
thank you so much for helping us out in this video.
And here is the next challenge.
This Mama's House YouTube channel was created by a wonderful Catholic mother to 5 children, soon to be 6, Mrs. Tabitha Kelly. She has cook with me videos, cleaning motivation, day in my life, homemaking videos, and helpful everyday tips for busy moms. If you're a mother yourself or soon to be, then check her videos out. If you are even single, her videos are even fun to watch and give you great advice on how to cook and clean. After watching this video, make sure to go check her out and subscribe to her amazing channel. We will have the link below in the description. Thank you, Mrs. Kelly, for helping us out in this video.
There you are.
You can actually clean in a skirt.
Yes.
So you can actually just do that. And she even wore a pretty long skirt in that video too. So yeah, you can do it. And she was actually pregnant with baby number 6. So she's also pregnant and wearing a skirt and cleaning. Because you can do all of that. So congratulations on baby number 6, Mrs. Kelly.
Yes.
And we can't wait to show you more of some of her videos in the next upcoming Skirt Squad challenges. We'll spread them all out.
Yes.
Different ones. So you'll be surprised whenever you see her next. But thank you again so much.
Yes.
And we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to her channel, This Mama's House. And we'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that will be. Okay, bye and God bless.
God bless everyone. Bye.